A few years back, Dr. Heber and I published the book, What Color is Your Diet? In the book, we described 7 different color categories of fruits and vegetables and encouraged our readers to aim for 1 serving from each color group each day. And while it sounds difficult and maybe like too much food, it really isn't. For one thing, those 7 servings could cost you less than 500 calories, and the serving sizes aren't as big as you might think. Let's see how you can get this done. For breakfast, a cup of fruit added to your Herbalife Formula 1 protein shake or stirred into a dish of yogurt will get 1 serving out of the way right off the bat. Berries will give you a serving from our red-purple group that also includes fruits like berries, plums, and pomegranate. At lunchtime, if you have a large salad with romaine lettuce and a sliced tomato, that's 2 more colorful servings. The lettuce counts as a serving from our yellow-green group, which includes most leafy greens, and the tomato comes from the red group, which also includes pink grapefruit and watermelon. At dinner, if you have a cup each of steamed broccoli and asparagus with your meal, that's another 2 servings. Our green group includes foods in the cabbage family like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, and the asparagus represents the white-green group, which also includes foods like leeks, onions, and artichokes. We've only got 2 servings to go. Our orange group includes foods like apricots, mango, cantaloupe, winter squash, and carrots. Snack on some baby carrots during the day and you've got that color taken care of. And lastly, a fresh orange for dessert after lunch or dinner comes from the orange-yellow group, which includes other citrus fruits, pineapple, peaches, and papaya. If you want to know more about which foods make up each of the 7 colors of health, you can find them posted on discovergoodnutrition.com.